next question will be from Rafi Tulfo.
Yeah, before we continue talking about federalism, how are you going to make it happen when in fact you're not even contemplating running for president? How can you make it happen as a regular citizen, as citizen Rudy Duterte?
The problem is actually nobody is really taking the cudgel for the least kaming mga taga Mindanao. Ako naman, pumasok lang sa isip ko because nakita ko ngayong BBL, the dangers of its failure. So ginamit ko yan just to go around na bago tayo magpatayan, let us have another round of talks, and this time, federalism. Kasi kung wala kang itatapon, and Borad said that he'll go to war, and the president said that if there is no BBL, you start to count body bags, and then is confirming the eventual maybe violence. Wala. I was the only one doing it, but more of a yung alternative. But I now believe in federalism because there is a need. Alam mo kasi yung highly central...
Sorry, paano nga po gagawin na mangyayari yun bilang isang ordinary citizen? As opposed to kung tatakbo kayo bilang presidente at kung kayo po naging presidente, mas posible ata yun. Pero kung as regular Rudy Duterte, citizen Rudy Duterte, mukhang imposible ata.
Because ito yan this is a highly centralized government. When the Spanish-American War, talo ang Espanyol, they ceded us with the Treaty of Paris. Ito, as if we're a chattel, so we were given to the Americans to set for 50 years. The rebellion in Mindanao continued, and until now. Bakit sabi nila? We were never subjugated. We fought, we revolted. Hindi lang nga kami nanalo because we are very small. Pero itong mga highly centralized na ito, the name and the mechanism is almost the same at the time when Legazpi was ruling this country. Now, itong federalism, ito yung dream nila Canoy originally, Osmeña. And if you go to Cebu, they would sing the national anthem in Visayan. My father, I trace my lineage sa tatay ko. Kasi yun ang Filipino. But I do not even know how to sing the Tagalog, the Visayan version of maganda national anthem. So ito yung the early proponents of this setup. Now, ang tanong natin, can federalism ever succeed without me? I heard that Rojas, he was in Davao yesterday, promised to work on federalism, and there was this offer to run as me as the vice president, and I could have the...
Oh, are you considering that, sir?
No, ma'am.
Ay, ayaw niyo rin mag-vice?
Ayaw po, ma'am.
Oo. So paano nyo nga isusulong yan? Kayo ba nananalig na isusulong ni Mar Rojas yan pag siya naging presidente?
Well, there is always a time for everything. The day of the reckoning is that. But, we Christians is as much interested to have the federalism. Kasi talagang binabastos naman kami. Kalalaki ng Davao, every time you buy this thing or whatever, there's always a receipt. Dito sa Maynila, and in the provinces, yung pera na yan, ipadala mo diyon sa National Treasurer. Every single centavo, what is available to the local government units is the property tax. Yun lang yung amin. Pero maraming hindi nakakabayad ng property tax. If I were to enforce the law, ubos yan lahat kung subasta ko. And, pag you make it higher, ang mga negosyanto magsasara yan. So, it's a chain reaction. You lose the activity, then yung mga tao mawalaan ng trabaho, dodoble ang problema mo. Now, kaming mga local governments, we get the ERA internal revenue allotment. Of the for example, 100 billion budget, ang aming local government is 19% of the total budget. Paghati-hatian namin yan. Now, yung kanila, meron silang mga itong style. Sa Distrito A, meron dyan bridge, eskwelahan. Sino may-ari ng distrito? Kanya yan. So, kanya yan 30%. So, mag-isip na yung 100 million.
Sa'yo lahat.
Lipstick na lang yan. Yung bayad ka pa ng congressman. Hindi naman lahat. Hindi lahat. Magbayad ka pa doon sa mga engineer, yung mga technical. May batas pa na the barangay captain must also sign the clearance na tapos na ang project. Bayad din yung
Be sure to come back. News 5 everywhere. Copyright 2015.